Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to increase your mass. So this is very good to increase your mass guys. So here I have my Vaseline and I'm going to add one ingredient to this that can help to increase your mass naturally. So we are going to get our bowl so that we can get this mix on our mass guys. So the first thing we are going to consider is 1 tablespoon of this. Yeah, so this is our Vaseline. So measure 1 tablespoon of your Vaseline. Yeah, so you can see it. Now you are going to add your extra virgin olive oil to this. So this is my extra virgin olive oil. So add a little drop of your extra virgin olive oil. So you can see the one that I add. So make use of half tablespoon. You can see the quantity. So go ahead and mix this together. And before you mix it, so we are going to remove it from the stick. Yeah. So go ahead and mix this together, guys. This is going to help to increase your mass naturally, guys. So you can see how it looks after mixing. So you are going to use this to massage your mass. So you can see guys, this is okay to use. So let's apply this on our mat. So we are going to use our hands. Yeah, so just use it to massage your mat, and this is going to help to increase your mat naturally, guys. So this is very good and it works very natural. You can go with this by using this your natural ingredient to increase your mass at home, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and let's be friends, guys, and see you in my next video. And don't forget, you can use this treatment at least 3 times in a week, guys. So this is going to help to increase your mass naturally at home, guys. So you can see it. So go ahead and make use of your Vaseline and your little bit of your extra virgin olive oil. You just need 1 tablespoon of your Vaseline and half tablespoon of your extra virgin olive oil, guys. So guys, bye.